Hi viewers, today I would like to show you all how to use sensitive content control on Instagram. Let's have a look. First, open Instagram app on your iOS device. Tap profile picture icon on bottom right. Then tap three lines menu on top right. Go to settings. From Instagram settings, tap account. Here you will find new option sensitive content control. Tap sensitive content control. By default limit selected. If you would like to use limit, you may see photos and videos that could be upsetting or offensive. Or you can select limit even more. If you select limit even more, you may see fewer photos and videos that could be upsetting or offensive. Tap limit even more. Are you sure you want to limit even more sensitive content? You may see fewer photos and videos that could be upsetting or offensive. Tap OK. Depend on your selection, Instagram will give you more control on your Explore page. That's it. These are the steps to influence Instagram algorithm to show you more or less sensitive content in Explore page. Hope this video helped you. Please subscribe my channel by tap subscribe button. Also tap the bell icon to receive notifications about all new videos.